What's the meaning of behavior? Behavior. Behavior.
Behavior. Behavior. Behavior refers to the actions, reactions, or conduct of an organism, person, or system in response to various stimuli or situations. It encompasses both voluntary and involuntary actions and can be influenced by a variety of factors, such as genetics, environment, emotions, and social norms. The study of behavior is an interdisciplinary field that draws from psychology, sociology, biology, and other related disciplines. Researchers use various methodologies, including observation, experimentation, and computational modeling, to understand and predict behavior. Understanding behavior is important for various fields, from education and business to healthcare and criminology, as it helps us to improve our interactions with others and make informed decisions.